long horizontal seam, that's gonna be the area that moves the most in the change of weather. So we like to put just regular blue painter's tape over it. Paul, can you do it while I'm talking? To cover those horizontals, the long horizontal seams. Now you don't need to do it on the vertical, just the horizontal. And the purpose for that is when that metal starts to move and you have the tape there with the Gaco patch over it, the tape is meant to break. And it's meant to create an expansion joint. So this is pretty easy. All you're gonna do is go over each fastener. I like the Hershey Kiss technique. Where you're going over it. And that's it. You just go over the fastener, make sure it's completely covered.
So it stays thick like that?
Yep, it stays thick. It cures out.
You can tell your contractors too, one way so it's not back breaking or on their knees, get an extension pole. Hollow out a brush.
Work on it, you want to kind of push it up into the seam. An emergency repair and say, we have a leak right here. We're able to identify. What's nice about the Gaco patch is that it displaces water. So if you do have an emergency, the contractor can come out, identify where it's at, displace that water.
Right over the water like that?
Yep, you see how it moves it to the side?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Now, I would say have the contractor come back. Can you put it just a little bit
We
closer?
have
to
specific adhesion tests for the S42 system.
That's good.
Gotcha.
Yep. So we're gonna pretend this is a curb. And what I'm gonna show is how well the Gaco patch hangs on vertical surfaces. You're gonna see your transitions that we asked the contractors to hit. We got a little bit more.
You see how Sammy's working it in to the vertical horizontal joint? So you have enough mill profile there to do what it's supposed to do.
It hangs at about 60 mils.
Yep. Which for coatings is pretty amazing.
Yeah.